Opinion: America could control the pandemic by October. Let's get to it. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. Just because America has largely bungled these steps so far doesn't mean it can't turn things around. The nation can do better. It must. Clear, consistent messaging. President Trump and his closest advisors have repeatedly contradicted the scientific evidence, and even themselves, on the severity of the pandemic and the best ways to respond to it. They've sown confusion on the importance of mask wearing, the dangers of large gatherings, the potential of untested treatments, the availability of testing, and the basic matter of who is in charge of what in the pandemic response. That confusion seems to have bred a national apathy and a dangerous partisanship over public health measures that will be difficult to undo. But leaders at every level can improve the situation by coordinating their messaging. Masks are essential and will be required in all public places. Social distancing is a civic responsibility. The virus is not going away anytime soon, but we can get it under control quickly if we work together. Such messaging works best when it comes from the very top, but state and local leaders don't have to wait for federal leaders to step up. Better use of data. As Dr. Tom Frieden, the former director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, has noted, the United States has a glut of data and a dearth of information. Data on who is getting sick and where is not being used to guide interventions, and crucial figures like test result times and the portion of new cases that were found through contact tracing are not consistently or routinely reported. If scientists had better access to such figures, they could use it to forecast COVID-19 conditions the same way they forecast the weather, warning when a given outbreak is spreading and advising people to adjust their plans accordingly. State and local leaders can make all their data public, and the CDC ought to help them get that data into a usable form. Smarter shutdowns. And just because America has largely bungled these steps so far doesn't mean it can't turn things around. The nation can do better. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.